Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something really exciting, the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro. These are premium earbuds boosting adaptive ANC, Qualcomm Snapdragon sound and high-resolution audio support. Let's unbox them and see what's inside. First up, here's the packaging. Very sleek and compact. Opening it up, we find the earbuds themselves, the charging case with a premium matte finish, a USB-C charging cable, extra car tips in multiple sizes, and of course a quick start guide. Everything feels really premium right out of the box. Looking at the earbuds closely, you can see the stylish design. They feature 10mm dynamic drivers for deep bass and supports aptX lossless, LDAC and high-resolution audio, giving you crystal clear sound for music, movies and games. For noise cancellation fans, the hybrid ANC goes up to 55 dB, which is excellent for blocking out unwanted noise in busy environments. Now, about calls, these earbuds come with 6 microphones and AI noise reduction. So, even if it's windy outside, your voice stays crystal clear. Battery life, 7.5 hours per charge, and up to 37 hours with the case. Running low, a 10-minute quick charge gives you 2 hours of playback. Super convenient. The case is compact, easy to carry, and the earbuds support multi-point connection, so you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. They are also IPX5 waterproof, making them sweat and splash resistant. Using the SoundPEATS Audio app, you can fully customize the sound, update firmware, and adjust touch controls. So that's the SoundPEATS Air5 Pro unboxing. Stylish design, premium build, rich sound quality and feature packed. If you want a deep dive review on performance, ANC and battery life, stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to catch it first.